You know it still hurts a little bit, but not that much. 'Cause if you want somebody else, who am I to judge?
Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I have another Sunday reset.
Starting to get used to it, think I'll survive.
Today I wanted to get a lot of stuff done. Of course, I started off with laundry because we always have laundry to do in this house. I also wanted to deep clean our dishwasher because there was a nasty stink coming from it. And I realized that I haven't cleaned it in a while, so I wanted to get that done. And then I also wanted to organize the boys' closet because they start school in a couple days, and I wanted to get all of their old clothes out that they don't wear anymore and put in all of their new school clothes that we just got them.
It's kind of quiet in my room right now without you.
My husband and I have been talking a lot, and we finally agree on what part of the house we're going to start our makeovers. I am super excited. I have a lot of awesome ideas, and of course, we're going to document it all for you guys.
In the summer, when you left, it was cold. Said we loved one another. Guess that we were wrong. I met you in the summer. Our love was out of control. I've been going crazy without you. I'm so alone. I met you in the
We already made over our laundry room area, but we didn't finish it. It used to be really dark, but now I feel like it's a little too light. So I have a couple ideas that's going to bring some color into this room and just jazz it up a little bit.
It still hurts a little bit, but not that much. 'Cause if you want somebody else, who am I to judge? I met you in the summer. When you left, it was cold. Said we loved one another. Guess that we were wrong. I met you in the summer. Our love was out of control. I've been going crazy without you. I'm so alone. I met you in the I'm hoping what I said could make you.
I just got myself a new vacuum cleaner and also a vacuum mop thing. It's from Bissell. I will be reviewing them on my next Clean With Me video. I am so excited, you guys. I hate to sweep. I just hate it. So with the new Bissell vacuum mop combo thing, I don't think I'm gonna have to sweep as much as I usually do, so that is so exciting. If you have dogs, you know what I mean. The sand is never ending in this house, so yeah, hopefully this will help with that.
Trapped inside, I forgot to look beyond. I see the other side. So give me a light, show me what I need. I know I'm blind, but I hear symphonies of your heartbeat.
I think the kitchen is the one room that I'm the most excited for. We did get a quote on some new cabinets and countertops, and that was $30,000. So that is something we are going to have to save for, but I am not patient. So I talked to my husband. We came up with an idea to make over the kitchen, but do it on a very, very, very reasonable budget. I'm excited about it. I'm a little nervous, but super excited, and I can't wait to make over this kitchen.
I'm going out with you tonight. Are you close to here?
I noticed a smell coming from our dishwasher, and then I realized that I haven't cleaned it in a while, so that is what I'm doing now. Did you guys see that filter? It was disgusting. If you guys don't clean your dishwasher, make sure you clean it. At least clean the filter, because you will be surprised on how dirty they are. I will just pull off all of the parts that will come out, and then I will spray them and use some Dawn dish spray on them, and then I will put it all back together. I clean my dishes before I put them in the dishwasher. Like, I will use Dawn spray and scrub all of the plates and everything before putting them in, and this is still what my dishwasher looks like after doing that. So yeah, it is just crazy how dirty they get. I will sometimes, when I'm in that mood, I will remove everything from the dishwasher, even the whatever that rubber thing is, that sill that goes around the dishwasher, because there is a lot of junk that is hiding behind them sills. But today I didn't have that much time, so I just did a quick deep clean on the dishwasher, but that is on my to-do list, to deep clean my dishwasher.
Slow it down. Slow it down. Slow it down. Slow it down. Baby, you're so hasty. I don't mind a little crazy, but baby, you're so hasty. We don't need to go on a fast. I need this night to last.
Once the kids go back to school, I am going to start my fall cleaning. I have so much that I need to clean in this house. It is so dusty. I like to do surface cleans, but when it comes to deep cleans, that is something that I gotta prepare myself for mentally, because I know that it's going to take me at least a full day, if not 2 days, to get the whole house completely cleaned.
Got me up all night, putting things on the side. What do you have in mind?
I wanted to get the boys' closet cleaned out before school started. Their closet is really small and they have a lot of clothes. A lot of these clothes are from their dad that passed away, and I didn't want to throw the clothes away because I felt like the boys might want them when they get older, but my husband and I came up with an idea to put them in the garage and save them until the boys can fit into them. The look on my face says it all. At this time, I was just so tired. So once we got done with the boys' closet, I was done. I did not film an outro because I was so tired, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one.